video we'll learn how to manage roles. How are we going to manage roles? We are going to manage role with the help of page roles, okay? And what is the difference between different roles? So let us understand first where can we manage role and what is the difference of different roles, okay? The first thing you need to do is on the bottom you will see a option page setting. On the left hand side at the bottom you will find the option called page setting. You have to click on this page setting option and here down you will find the option page roles. Click on page roles. So I'm repeating it once again. What you need to do is on your Facebook page go in page settings and in page settings go in page roles, okay? So assign a new page role. See, can you see here? Assign a new page role. Through this place, okay, through this option you can assign different roles to different people. For example, you have hired someone for advertising maybe, or you have hired someone for editing. Then you can assign them this work by adding them over here. What you all need to do is type a name or email ID. Email ID is much better, I think so, or name. You have to type the email ID or name over here, and here you have to click here and you have to assign the work, assign the role you want to give them. For example, admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst, custom. That's what you need to do, and you have to click on add. Now let us understand what is the difference between different roles, okay? We will click on learn more and we'll see what is the different kinds of role that you are going to give them. If I go down a little bit, okay, so here can you see that option? See, admin has all the major authorities, like he can do manage page roles and setting, edit the page and add apps, create and delete posts as the page, send a message as the page, respond, remove, ban people, create ads. He can do everything, whereas editor can't manage page roles and settings, and moderator cannot manage, cannot edit, as well as cannot create and delete post. So likewise some authorities are given to each one of them. So you have to go here on this page and you have to select, you have to see what kind of role can you have to assign to, you have to hire someone, okay? And in that way you are going to give that role to that so-called person by either writing the name of that person or by writing the email ID. I am repeating it once again. What you need to do is on your Facebook page you have to go in page settings. In page settings you have to go in page roles, and in assign a new page you have to write the name or the email ID, and in here you have to right click here and you have to see admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst, custom. What kind of role do you want to lend it to that person, and you have to click on add, and then it is done. That's it. What you need to do is. So this is all about handling work to someone. So it's now your turn, guys, that you're going to try this out. What all you need to do is, I'm repeating it once again, you need to go in for your Facebook page settings, and in page settings go in page role. Make the required changes in assign a new page role here. If you're not understanding what all these things are, click on learn more and you would see all the options, what role is assigned to admin, what role is assigned to editor, and what is the difference between these roles. And likewise you can assign some role to that so-called person, to a particular person, maybe a editor, maybe a analyst, and whatsoever may it be. So that is all about managing roles.